If you're feeling overwhelmed trying to start an online business while working full-time and raising a family, you are not alone. See, most moms think it's impossible to balance both without giving up sleep time or family time. But let me tell you, it's just a myth. The secret isn't working harder. It's actually working smarter. And today I'm going to show you how you can start and grow your business without feeling overwhelmed. And yes, even if you only have just 2 hours a day. Think about like prepping a meal. Instead of cooking from scratch every day, you prepare ahead, saving time and stress. The same concept with building your own business. So let's dive in. Now first, let's be real. Your time is already stretched thin. That's why prioritizing your schedule is key. Take a close look at your daily routine and find small pockets of time that you can dedicate to your business. It could be early morning, your lunch break, or after the kids go to bed. And trust me, even just 2 hours a day, you can build a profitable business when you stay consistent. Here are some tools, tips that you can use to help you even prioritize your time. You can use Google Calendar, you can use Trello or Forest app. And these tools can help you be able to block time and make it become a routine. If you don't want to start with that, you can simply start with your phone, set an alarm or set a reminder on your phone. That way you get notified, so that way you take action. Now next, we need to set clear and realistic goals. Think of goal setting like planning to go on a trip. You wouldn't just hop in a car without a GPS, right? You'd map out your stops and your final destination. The same goes for your business. So break down your big goals into small achievable steps so that you can see your progress without the burnout. And if you haven't heard about the SMART method, you need to check it out. SMART means S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant, and T for time bound. By following the SMART method, it's going to help you stay focused and take action and not be overwhelmed, but trying to do everything all at once. Lastly, consistency beats motivation every time. You need to set a routine that works for you. Whether if it's in the morning before work or 30 minutes after the kids go to nap, sticking to a schedule makes it easier to stay on track and see results. So if you found this helpful and you're serious about starting an online business that fits your busy mom schedule, check the description below. There's a link that you can click that's going to show you how I and other moms in our community are making money online in just 2 hours a day without sacrificing family time. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you never miss a new video. See you on the next one.